प्रस्तरतले लतातरुगुल्मा नो भवन्तु पिष्टां पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा प्रस्तरतले लतातरुगुल्मा नो भवन्तु पिष्टां पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामये नो जीवन्मरणं मानवाय जीवनं कामये नो जीवन्मरणं नो जीवन्मरणं नो जीवन्मरणं शुचिपर्यावरणं 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 शुचिपर्यावरणम्. Okay, how can we read this one? Prastaratale latatarugulma no bhavantu pishta पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामये न जीवन्मरणं शुचिपर्यावरणम्. प्रस्तरतले लतातरुगुल्मा नो भवन्तु पिष्टा पाषाणी सभ्यता निसर्गे स्यान्न समाविष्टा मानवाय जीवनं कामये नो जीवन्मरणं शुचिपर्यावरणम्. Okay, this is the reading of this poem. Now we can go to the Padachedam. Prastaratale latatarugulma na bhavantu pishtaha. Actually, here is one Sandhi Padam is there actually. I didn't mark it here, but Gulma. Here actually there is a Visargam. Here Visargam dropped. Okay. If you get a question to split into two words, Gulma no without Visargam in between. That is joined word. When joined together, this Visargam will be dropped. That is one Sandhi. So when split into two words, this Visargam will come back. So that is a Gulmaha. Gulmaha plus na. Okay, Gulmaha plus na. It is a, so Sandhipadam, next Bhavantu Pishtaha. So this is a Visarga Sandhi, okay. Then Pashani Sabhyada Nisarge Syaduna, already we discussed before. Samavishta. Samavishtaha. Actually here Visargam is there. At the end of the Padam also there is no need to add the Visargam. Manavaya Jivanam Kamaye na Jivan Maranam. Jivan Maranam is a single word. Some teachers are teaching you Jivatha plus Maranam also. No problem. Jivatha, Jivan Maranam is actually Sandhi Padam, not Sandhi Padam. Actually it is a Samasta Padam. Jivide Maranam, Jivan Maranam. But Sandhi also is working there. In some Samastapadam, Sandhi will work. No, that Sandhi is there. Jivatta. Jivatta plus Maranam. Tha plus ma. Okay, the tha will change into na. Why? Because after plus a fifth letter of the Vargam, ma. So, fifth letter of the Vargam. Which Vargam? This is a pa, pa, ba, ba, ma. Because of this letter will change its own fifth letter. So that's why Nakayam. So answer will be Jivan Maranam. Okay. So Jivat Maranam, Jivan Maranam. But actually we cannot split into Jivat plus Maranam. Actually it is a Jivide Maranam Samasta Padam. So single word. This is the Sandhi. We can go to the meaning of these words and Anvayam. Latatarugulmaha is a first word. Prastaratale second, Pishtaha third, Na fourth, Bhavantu fifth. Next, Pashani Sabhyada Nisarge Samavishta Na Syad. This is the order. Manavaya, it is a 12th word. Jivanam kamaye. Okay, comma, na. Jivan maranam na kamaye. We can tell like this, okay? Jivan maranam na kamaye. We can add this word again here. Okay, so kamaye will be 16 also. This is the Anvayam. I will tell Ladadaru Gulmaha Prastaratale Pishtaha Na Bhavandu Pashani Sabhyada Nisarge Samavishta Na Syad Manavaya Jivanam Kamaye. Manavaya, again we can add here if you need a Manavaya Jivan Maranam Na Kamaye. This is the Anvayam. We can check the meaning in detail. So, what is the meaning of Ladataru Gulmaha? Ladataru Gulmaha means Lataha, Vrikshaha, Legu, Patapaha cha. Lata, creepers, Taru, trees, and Legu, Patapaha, Gulmaha. Gulmaha means small plants. Okay, creepers, trees, and small plants. All greeneries. Together we can tell all the greeneries. Prastaratale. Prastaratale Pashanasya Adha Pradeshe. Tale means we should take the meaning. Talam means not on the top of the rock. Actually here we have to take under the rock. Okay, under the stone. So Pashanasya Adha Pradeshe. That is Prastaratale. Pishtaha. What is Pishtaha? Pishtaha means churnaha, left, or nashtaha, okay, lost. And na bhavandu, not to be or should not be. No bhavandu means na bhavandu, should not be loose, should not be lost. Okay, nashtaha na bhavandu. And pashani means a concrete building. Sabhyada means samskridihi. Means a culture. The culture of the concrete building. Nisarge, in real nature. Okay, or to the real nature. That also we can tell. Samavishta. What's meaning of Samavishta? Samavishta means enter. Nasyada should not. Together means na Samavishta should not enter. Manavaya for human being. Jivanam, prananam, rakshanam, the protection of life. That is Jivanam. Jividam and Jivanam. Jividam means life. Jivanam means the protection of life. Okay, the development of life. So life, the prananam, rakshanam, protection of life. Kamaye, kamaye means a wish. I wish. Na, not Jivan Maranam. Jivan Maranam means the death in the life. Life equal to death also. Life equal to death. I don't want the life equal to death. I need the life Jivanam. Okay, that is his message actually. So we can tell the meaning of the sentence. Na bhavandu. Na bhavandu should not happen. Should not happen. Na bhavandu should not happen. What should not happen? Pishtaha na bhavandu. Nashtaha na bhavandu, should not lose. Okay, should not lose. What? Latataru Gulmaha. The creepers, trees, plants, and all the greeneries, the boon of the nature. Okay, these are the boon of the nature. This boon of the nature should not lose where Prastaratale, under the rock. This boon should not lose under the rock. Pashani Sabhyada, this culture of concrete building. Samavishta nasyada. Nasyada should not. Samavishta means enter. So Samavishta nasyada should not enter or should not allow to enter. What? Pashani Sabhyada. This concrete culture should not enter. To where? To Nisargam. Nisargaha means nature, the real nature. Okay, to the real nature, it should not be entered. We should not allow to enter. By cutting the trees we are constructing different type of building, and we are losing that the real nature when these type of building concrete building culture is entering into the nature. So we should not allow to enter this culture to the real nature. And last he is telling manavaya jeevanam kamaye. Manavaya jeevanam kamaye. Kamaye means I wish, I hope. Okay, what? Jeevanam, the real life, the protection of life, the happiness of life, the protection of happiness also we can tell here. For whom? Manavaya. I wish the protection of life for the human being. Manavaya jeevanam kamaye, not the death. What type of death? Jeevan maranam. Jeevan maranam means actually sufferings. I don't want sufferings to the human being. Jeevide maranam I don't want. So in life, maranam means actually he is telling, he is pointing that word, the sufferings equal to death. So in jeevidam, in jeevide maranam na kamaye. I don't want to wish for the human being the death in life. I want to wish them a life. Okay, that is his wish. So na jeevan maranam kamaye. So this is the real meaning. I hope you understood the meaning of this sentence. I will tell once more together the meaning in the next slide. Ladataru gulmaha prastaratale pishtaha na bhavandu. The essential trees and plants should not lose under the stones. Prastaratale. Nisarge. To the nature, Pashani Sabhyada Samavishta Nasyad. We should not allow the concrete culture to enter into forests, into the real nature, which is the protection of our life, which is the real reliance of our life, shelter of our life. Manavaya jeevanam kamaye. I wish life for humans. Jeevan maranam na kamaye. Not the death while alive. And he is telling the solution for that. We have to go back to village, go back to the gramam. Okay, then only we can make our life happy. Okay, so he is telling a message. Oh my friends, oh my people, please go back to the village life. So this is his message through this poem.